let's look at Sunderland. Sunderland have experienced the highest increase in waiting lists during the pandemic. There are currently 45,000 people on the waiting list for treatment for South Tyneside and Sunderland's NHS Trust. Well, our North East reporter, Rachel Sweeney, has been out to meet some of the affected.
From April 2020 to July 2021, non-urgent waiting lists across England saw an average rise of 42%. Sunderland experienced the biggest increase of 92%, double the average. That's compared to South East London, which went up by 10%. One of the people affected was Bryn Jones. He's a retired police officer from Sunderland and he's now running a local gin business. Bryn has had problems with tumours in the past, so when he discovered lumps in his neck at the end of last year, there was concern. Bryn waited up to 8 months for treatment.
So the whole procedure, sort of consultancy with the doctor, then having the scans done to the operation, probably six or 8 months. And I wasn't concerned. I just knew COVID was having a massive effect on the NHS waiting times, and of course the lack of staff that they have. I mean, the staff are massively under pressure.
But what impact did that have on you, having to wait? That's months, that's a long time.
I just expected that.
Bryn is from a family of NHS workers. 20 of his relatives work for the service.
Maybe I accept a little bit too much because I have that much family. I understand the pressures that the majority of staff are in. I've got general nurses, psychiatric nurses in the family, and it is what it is. There's so much emphasis on teams of people pushing for deadlines and waiting times, and there's more people sort of looking into the waiting times and the delays and things like that than there are people, practitioners who doing the job on the front line.
The NHS Sunderland Clinical Commissioning Group and South Tyneside and Sunderland NHS Foundation Trust now say that since July 2021 have worked hard to reduce their waiting list. In a statement they said, in July 2021, more than 85% were treated within 18 weeks, which is well above the national average. It's hoped as we move forward, waiting times will reduce and we can return to, at least, the old normal. Rachel Sweeney, GB News.